YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of December Mania. If you are new, welcome. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you guys my travel favorites. I want to do 5 items. These are just items that I've been loving for travel. Some of them are new, some of them are old, so I'm excited to share that with you. And if you're excited to see, then just keep on watching. So the first one that I want to start off with is new. This is the Erin Condren travel planner. On the front it says always take the scenic route. Yeah, there we go. And so this book here I got off of Amazon. It wasn't very expensive. You guys know Erin Condren is amazing and really killing it right now in the agenda planners section. Like, that's her jam. And she also has a number of different stickers and cool things to go with it. So this book here actually comes with some stickers in the back, and then it also has an itinerary. But you can start from the very beginning of planning to the very end. So it has reservations and to-do lists, your packing list. It has places to visit, so landmarks, entertainment. You can jot down things and then make your final itinerary on the next page. It also has daily adventures, favorite moments for the day. You can also keep track of how much you're spending. And yeah, I really like this. This book maybe can complete about 4 or 5 travels or vacations, which I feel like is pretty normal for the average American. I feel like most Americans only go on maybe like 1 or 2 vacations a year, so you could keep this for a good little bit. I'll probably blow through it really quickly, but it's still a pretty awesome planner. It keeps me organized, and anything that's gonna keep me organized, I'm here for it. So let's move on to the next one. Next one I'm going to tell you guys about, I call this one my pack and fly, which I think is on the front. Oh, it's file and fly, but I call it the pack and fly. Basically, this is an organizer. I'll put this up close, and you can pretty much store your money in a certain area, your boarding passes, your receipts, reservations, documents, tickets, passports, all that good stuff in here. When I tell you guys, between going through all these different TSA lines and, you know, having the check-in and check-out and this and that, you're moving a lot of documents around. And I, for one, can never keep up at some points with where I just put my ID because I'm throwing it back in. But this right here kept me so organized, especially on the cruise where we had to do double security through the airport, security through the cruise ship, and then it's a lot. So this right here keeps everything in place. Make sure I put it all back, easy to find, so I'm not just dumping it all in my bag or whatever. Super organized, and I know where everything is at when I use this. So I definitely recommend it. I did get it from TJ Maxx, but I feel like you could find any kind of file organizer, travel organizer online of Amazon, but these come in handy. So if you find one, I suggest you get it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is the roll and save bags. So these are great for winter travel, where you put all your bulkiest pieces and you roll it, and it'll condense it almost like a vacuum air pack, but there's no vacuum needed. You just slap them in there, roll it up really good, and you have more space in your suitcase than what you probably would have before. I always say, like, packing in the summertime is easier because our clothes are lighter, they're looser, they're more slinky, whereas in the winter everything's more bulky. So these for sure come in handy. I got these at TJ Maxx. I feel like you can find them at any TJ Maxx, Marshalls, maybe even Ross, but definitely came in handy, so I do recommend those. The next one you guys have seen me talk about a lot. These are old, and these are my packing cubes. I absolutely love these packing cubes. They keep me organized. Like I said, anything that's going to keep me organized, I'm here for it. And it's by TTYL Travel. So I got these off of Amazon. They weren't very expensive. I may end up getting some more, but these are great for just, and they come in different sizes, you know. They also have a laundry pouch that comes with them, which I don't ever put my laundry in here. I use these to store like toiletries, but if you wanted to actually, you know, be more organized than me and use these for laundry pouches, honestly, they would come in handy because nobody likes to mix clean clothes with dirty clothes. So I love my packing pouches. They're everywhere. You can find them on Amazon. You can find them probably in a store somewhere. Like, they're literally everywhere, and I do recommend them. So packing pouches is on my list. Let's go to the last one. Last but not least is very new. This is my 2019 calendar. I got this from Target. It was $15.99, and I like it because it's just by the month. I've already started on the first one with my stickers and goals and different things like that. So this right here is going to help me keep track of my travels, what days I want to like kind of shoot for, shooting days, travel days, editing days, all that good stuff. So I'm excited about what 2019 is going to bring us, and this is on my travel favorites list. Another way to keep yours truly organized. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.